Hi everybody, I'm Matt, Century Company. I like to introduce a very unique sake bottle and cup, especially a big fan of Japanese traditional. First of all, it's called Hototogisu Tokuri. You can see the bird on here. As you pour sake, it whispers. Listen it. Did you hear? Isn't it cool? Moreover, you drink from this cup here. Awesome. It's very unique, and you can buy only Japan. And more, this cup is made as era of my grandfather. You can see nothing without liquor. See, better. Pour inside of sake. You can see the women. Isn't it cool? So now no one make this cup, but I do. Couple months ago, I did it. This is a new style, and I did. See. Also, you can see nothing of inside. Did you see? I promote Mount Fuji inside of this cup. Maybe you show your friends this production. Everybody's surprised and interesting. Let's introduce this. And one more. This is the latest style of drinking bar in Japan. You pour sake. As full of cup and tokuri, it might be 180 cc. It's called ichigo in Japan. It flows like waterfall. This scene is very beautiful. Thank you.